I'm going to show you how to fix 30004 Fortnite error. So let's start. So first of all, make sure you have no Fortnite or Epic Games launcher running in the background. Select this upside arrow and right click on the launcher, select exit. And once you do that, select the Windows hotkey plus R in the keyboard and type in exactly like this, local app data between these two percentages. Select OK. Now all you have to do, select any folder appearing. After that, type E in your keyboard. You need to search for Epic Games Launcher, select it, and then go open the saved folder. You will find this web cache 4430 and underscore between them. Make sure to right click and then delete this folder permanently. Don't worry about it. It will not harm or mess up with your Fortnite files. So once you do that, go open the Epic Games Launcher once again. And then all you have to do, go search for Fortnite. Now you need to select these three dots appearing under the picture. After that, you should see this manage option if you have the game already installed in your PC. Now this will pop up. So what you need to do is to click on this verify button and any corrupted or missing files that are causing the issue will be automatically fixed. Just don't worry if something gets downloaded right here. Wait for it to finish. After that, you can just safely go to this Windows icon, restart your computer, and you should be ready to go. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and like the video, and see you on the next one.